Joint cracking, what is it? Now, we have small amounts of gas in the fluid of our joints. When we stretch our joints, we create a negative pressure that causes these gas bubbles to form and then burst. This creates the cracking sound. After you crack your joints, it takes about 20 minutes for this gas to reaccumulate, which is why you can't crack your joints again immediately after you've just done it. Next, is it safe to crack our joints? The answer is yes, unless it is painful, or your joint is swollen, or your joint is stiff.